welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Sorry if that was loud for y'all. But I am just at the house chilling. It is December 1st. So Vlogmas Day 1 is today that I'm recording this, but you're going to see this on Vlogmas Day 5. I had started recording days before because I just, wanted to make sure that I would have footage and would be able to upload every day for you guys. So I'm still getting caught up. So what you're about to see is Thanksgiving prep. So, with COVID and everything going on, Thanksgiving did not look the same as how it usually looks because of COVID. And we have a lot of older people in our family. So what we did was we cooked all the food at my mom's house and at my Aunt Alice's house, took everything to my Aunt Alice's house and divvied it all up. So you're going to see the shenanigans of us doing that, and then we're going to load it all up in my mom's big Suburban, and we're going to deliver it to all of our elders. And, yeah, I didn't really record on Thanksgiving because it was really chill. We didn't really do anything. Just like how I'm chilling now, baby, that's what it was on Thanksgiving. So, anywho, let's get to the vlog. I'm going to let y'all see that, and then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to close the vlog.
You what? Have our extra fat for 2 weeks. My extra fat will be there longer than
I was just about to say that.
But anyway, I'll let
This
you
ain't
go
even
there
all
so
of
we
it.
Get them moving because we trying to get some stuff done here. Okay.
We ain't going to never get this done.
Don't say that. She said by 4 o'clock. She gotta wait for somebody to come get the grandkid or something. Oh no, we gonna be here. Oh.
That sounds like a lot.
Oh.
Okay,
She's trying to fit this in this.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to turn this over like this.
Okay, so do you want some more chocolate cake? Because this is all the other chocolate cake that we have. Is this one right here?
So and Alice don't have no chocolate cake? So all of that right there is for Raymond?
Well, that's what I was doing.
Oh, okay. So you won't take this then? Then you can take this if you gave him that.
What's in there?
And we have chocolate cake at home?
Okay, give me my bowl.
Oh, God.
Please give her her bowl.
And then give her this.
And let me see what's
And
in
then
there.
she can make her decision what she want to do.
Let me get some of that carrot cake though, if I can. The extras droppings.
We can give this to Raymond. And I'll give him that strawberry. And I don't need all that chocolate.
Oh, so you gonna make that your chocolate?
No, what? That
Right there, yeah.
that's kind of a bunch. But I'll figure it out.
Whose is this?
And Betty's. Wasn't it? No.
Oh, this is good.
So this
Is
is
it good?
Ella Jean's. So this goes with the whole chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Lordy. Are we done?
No.
Who the rest of this go to?
Oh, you got a carrot cake. That's right.
We have a carrot cake?
Raymond.
We
You
have
got a whole carrot cake?
Uh-huh.
You took it to the car,
Oh,
didn't you?
wonderful.
Oh, did
That
I?
whole cake, it was in a regular cake pan.
Oh, okay.
Remember the one with the regular
It's- yeah,
So
I
what we
just saw
do?
it.
What we do with the rest of that?
Well, I was going to give Lynn them some, and I had to give my friend some.
Okay, so you good. And then you have some.
And then I have some. I made a little one because it won't all fit in this pan.
Okay, Mom, give us 2 napkins so we can have a
And y'all
taste.
can just help yourself.
That's what I was gonna say. Can I get a sliver
Yeah,
now?
you can get as much as you want, honey.
So, Mama.
Okay, who gets 4 rolls and who gets 6 rolls? Betty and them get 6 rolls.
Uh-huh.
I want a
then
middle piece. Do
Jeff-
you want a middle piece or you want an end piece?
I want a middle piece, preferably, if that's available.
It's okay. Hey,
If not, then it is what it is.
I like the middle too.
I love the middle. That's my favorite. She's gonna skip that one.
I like the middle one right here.
Smack that.
Okay,
in
so
the
you
middle.
got a whole lemon cake here. You got 2 pecan pies. You got that little chocolate cake. You got that strawberry cake.
They look jacked up because we wanted the middle, but it'll be all
It's
right.
okay.
Here, get that off.
Thank you.
You have enough?
I want that.
That's a little part.
We tried it. We kept tasting it.
I know you keep tasting it and you like, I don't know if it's sweet enough or
Well,
yeah,
we
it's
was
sweet
scared to
enough.
put more sugar in it because we thought it was going to get too sweet.
Yeah.
I know it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's very lemon.
Okay, I don't have their dressing
Who dressing?
for Betty and Ella Jean.
We have to divvy that up.
This carrot cake, man, between the
Divvy
carrot
it
cake
up.
and the lemon cake and the strawberry cake, I don't know. I don't know which
That
one.
strawberry cake.
I don't know.
William said, nah.
I don't care what nobody
none.
said.
I don't want none. I don't want none.
He don't want that what?
Then he said, why is she calling me?
Who?
Your daughter.
Oh, this is
Oh, her daughter. I was gonna say.
Hello?
I ain't got no kids.
this is Robin.
I'm at your mama's house.
Dressing.
Yeah.
How many places we got to go?
What you mean?
Butch and Betty's and Robin.
That's a great
Oh, okay.
question.
That'll work. I can work with that.
I mean, Butch
We're trying to get this food
And
together so we can deliver it.
and Ella Jean.
Mm-hmm. And Robins.
Yeah, and Robin.
There's still 3. I can live with that. I'm just trying to gauge how long this
Yeah, we
kid
got
is
a
gonna
whole
act right.
pack
Oh,
of
Lordy, y'all. That was a hot mess. We have everything loaded. Everything divided. This goes to one household. This goes to one household. This goes to another household. Delivering Thanksgiving food. Because of COVID, we can't have dinner together. So it just is what it is. All right, you guys. So we got all the Thanksgiving food delivered to everybody. I hope everybody had an awesome Thanksgiving. Black Friday is going to be the next day, honey. We caught some deals, baby. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. I know things are crazy this year with the holidays and everything, but like I said in the previous vlog, just try to find the good in the bad and just be grateful for, you know, what you do have and who you do have. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. This is why I had to go ahead and get some footage for y'all while I was doing stuff because, baby, this is all I do. This right here on the couch. Anywho, love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 6. Bye.